Right, I got lights, I got connectors, and plumbing for the faucets. Let's go. Alright, what's up? So, just made a run to Home Depot to get the lights and some plumbing stuff that I need to connect the faucets and the vanities and ultimately the sink when that gets here. So as you can see, got some big brown boxes. They delivered the kitchen cabinets yesterday, so I can't wait to see those installed. They're gonna get installed tomorrow. So yeah, just giving you a little preview, a little showing of what I got going on. So really excited about that. After all this stuff is in, get that granite guy out here, get my flooring guy out here, and then finish the inside of the house. So that's the plan. You know, the windows still up in the air. May be able to salvage a lot of these. I mean, they look somewhat decent. So we'll see. And I'm out here. I'm waiting for a few contractors I got coming out to take a look at the gutters, the siding, and I'm actually gonna have some junk removed. So there's like those old washers and dryers down in the basement, and then there's like some more stuff in the attic that I want to get out of here too. And then there's a bunch of trash in the backyard because that's where we've just been dumping everything that we're no longer using, you know, or when they were making the frames and all that for the doors, you know. So, you know, took all the old crap out, and it's all sitting out back now. So gonna get that taken care of. But these lights, they're LEDs, you know, so no need to buy the light bulb, and they're dimmable. So we could just, or you know, my future end buyer can just hit the switch to dim the lights, which I thought is a pretty cool feature. You know, and I believe you may be able to download a app with these. I think so. But download an app and you can control the lights how you want them. You know, the brightness of the light with the app. So, but I think I'm gonna leave that up to them. You know, decide whether or not they want to do that. But I'm gonna make it to where you hit the you know, you flick the switch for the how dim or how bright you want the light. So I like these, and they're good, clean, flush look. So my original lighting person was gonna come in here, get some of that dust off me. I was gonna come in here and she was going to install the lights for me. But you know, with everything going on, she's not feeling the best. So I was just like, all right, you know, go ahead, stay home. I'll figure something else out. So there you have it. That's my solution right there for the lights. But yeah, I got some brushed nickel lights going up. You know, I like these. These bad boys right here. You know, two for one. You know, sort of deal with these. So got these going up right here in the living room and the dining room, and then I've got the big 15-inch. These, yeah, here we go. They're over here. Yeah, this, you know. These 15-inch bad boys right here, going up in the upstairs bedrooms, and the 12-inch going downstairs. So it's gonna be a nice, clean look. You know, we got a lot of white trim around here, so it's gonna be a good look with the white trim. You know, Yeah, there we go. You know, going around the frame and then the baseboards, and of course the ceiling, nice and white. You know, so it's all going to work out and match really well. So really looking forward to seeing all the stuff installed. And after this, yep, granite countertops and the flooring, and the inside should definitely be complete. Um, the granite person that I use, they throw the sink in for free. I guess it's for free. I mean, for the price that you pay for the granite, you know, you're definitely paying for that sink at some point. But yeah, so all that's gonna happen within the week, and just looking forward to getting done with this. And then we're gonna focus on the outside. Outside, there's really a couple things I want to knock out. Other than that, I mean, it's almost time to literally put this property on the market. So I definitely want to get it in the hands of my realtors. You know, either the end of this month or definitely the top of next month, and let them do their thing with selling this house. So really excited that this project is coming to a close compared to, you know, the 2 months prior, you know, with the contractor that I had. So yeah, still looking for a landscaping guy. Landscaping is just whew, the yard is going ham right now. But yeah, I just wanted to give you all a little preview of where I'm at right now. So tomorrow, with the cabinets and all that being installed, it's definitely going to look completely different in here. Completely different. And then when my contractor gets out here this weekend to install all the lights and stuff, it's going to look completely different. It's going to look really complete. So really excited. But stay tuned. So on that note, like, comment, share, subscribe. You know what I mean? Hit that, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. And as always, I'll catch you on the next one.